Hello and welcome once again to a Framework Framecast. I'm Curtis, and today I'm going to show you different ways to use dictionary variables either as they currently are in VuSnu 4 or optionally to show it as we used to see them in VuSnu 3. For example, here I have a number of items. So we have this variable here, which is a checkbox variable, and I'm checking various options. And what happens is after I save it, I can look at a listing, and what I see is the following. I have the names, and it shows me each of the items I've checked here. So it shows me in text. When I export it, however, you'll see that in fact it gives me the code for each item that I've checked here. So this is the way you see it normally in VuSnu 4. Each checked item shows its code. However, what we can do now, we can go to that listing now, and you see here the preview of my listing shows each of the codes. However, if I click here, you'll see that I can split it up. So I just click that, and now that it's split up as individual columns, you can see that there's a check mark for each time the box was checked. And now you see here in the listing that indeed it is individual columns for each of the items that was checked, as if each item was an individual variable. Now when I export this, you can see that each individual item is a column in the spreadsheet. If you want them all as one single column again, instead of being broken up, just click here and then click on Merge, and they'll all go back into one single column again. So there you go. Now for dictionary type variables that are checkbox types, you can either have them listed as one single column with separated by commas, or you can have them as individual columns that will then get exported as individual columns in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching the Frameworks Framecast, and see you next time.